Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information this week. We're talking induction cooktops. The 5 top induction cooktops of 2019, or 2019. Well, unfortunately, whether it be LG, Samsung, Whirlpool, the normal square top pan size are all about basically the same. So the only real better one would be something like the Thermador here or the higher end JennAir. These don't have elements. What these have are areas. The normal cooktop has big square plates that your pan goes on and takes care of this, where these actually have little bitty burners, so no matter where you put this, it's going to register as being on. Okay? Now, these are completely worthless if you don't have the right pans. Okay? The right pans are everything. You can go to somewhere and get the 99.95 approved induction cooktop pans. Don't do that. You've just spent a lot of money on a very good cooktop or range. Get the good pans, because if you get the bad pans, it's not going to work. Okay, so just get the good pans, and it doesn't matter whether it's a Thermador, Whirlpool, LG, whatever it is. If you've got bad pans, you've got bad induction. So get the good pans, and then whatever induction you have isn't going to matter, because good pans are going to work. So don't forget to tune in to this channel next week for more good information, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Have a good week, and Merry Christmas.
Hey, hello, you there? Hey, I think we interrupted him. We got him this time. I think we got interrupted. We're shutting that guy Keith off because he had no idea what we was talking about. Hi, I'm Richard P Noggin, redneck repairman extraordinaire, Esquire, here with my friend Billy Bob Goat Roper Sam. Say hi, Billy Bob. He don't like to talk too much because he's a little shy on the camera. We heard about this induction cooking thingy, McWhoozin' They say that you can boil water in 90 seconds. I think that's some magical voodoo stuff. So we decided we was going to find out what's going on with that. So we went and got us a induction cooktop. It's over here. So I still think it's voodoo magic. There's some little magic in there, Chris Angel kind of magic stuff we don't know about, but we tested it and it don't work. So we're gonna boil us some water here, okay? And it's gonna boil, okay? Now, we found that Grandma's cast iron skillet, she ain't gonna be working too good on this. They don't work on this, so we had to go get us a pan. So we went and found us a induction pan. It wasn't exactly cheap, so it's okay. But gotta give it a few seconds here. It's working. We'll be boiled here in a second. But let me tell you, this thing about this voodoo witchcraftery stuff for this induction stuff, I don't know if I like it, because it's going to boil my mash when I start making my lemonade, because it's cooking way too quick. How am I supposed to enjoy my free time watching my mash boil when it boils that quick? This is not a good thing, but you never know. Stranger things have been known to happen. Well, while this thing is starting to boil, I can see little bubblies getting ready to start here. Yeah, you can feel the warm start coming up. It's going to be a few more seconds here. We're going to, get to the boilage. Come to think, I could go spend a whole lot of money on a little bitty pan like this for my cooking, or me and Billy Bob Goat Roper decided we're gonna make us a single-use ramen noodle pan that we made for ourselves. See, you can hear it starting to get boiling there. See, that's a whole lot of pan for a little bitty thing of ramen noodles. Like I like me some ramen noodles. So what we did here is we went and found us a ramen noodle maker. See, now you gotta make sure you get safety. I got my handle here. This ain't got no handle. So, as you can see, she boiled. She boiled pretty good. But I still say there's some Chris Angel magic inside there, so you got to be careful about that. So, we're going to use my one-use, one-make ramen noodle pan that's going to actually make us some quick ramen noodles. Now, see? There it goes. See now? Mine boils faster than that one does all day long. See? You can see it starting to get good in there. Like I said, now I got my safety handle, because I don't want to be touching that. It's going to get a little caliente, if you know what I mean. Okay. But see, yeah, perfect size. Going to put your ramen noodles in there. It's going to boil all nice and fancy. Now remember, don't try this at home. I am a professional. I know what I was doing, so be careful now, okay? But see, now you put your ramen noodles in there. You got your ramen noodles hot. Get your handle. And voila, we have us a ramen noodle maker here. And when you want to heat it back up, after you get ramen noodles back in, it gets all nice and caliente hot. So remember, also subscribe to this YouTube channel. You have a wonderful holidays. And remember, Don't go out on New Year's night because you don't want to mess an amateur hour. People who shouldn't be drinking are going to be drinking. We don't mess with that. We sit at home, we drink our lemonade at home by ourselves on New Year's Eve. Have a wonderful week.